Welcome students. In 8 maths topic number 12 equation in one variable. Student, we had started topic number 12 equation in one variable in last video. In last video we had seen some basic things we had learned in 7th standard, and also we had seen how to find the solution given equation has solution or not. We had already learned in the earlier video. Now students, how to find the value of the equation in one variable? We learn in 7th standard simple examples on it, okay? But today we will see solution of equation in one variable. Today we will see examples in practice set 12.1. We had already learned question number 1 in practice set 12.1. Today we will see question 2 in the practice set 12.1. Question 2. Okay. What is the question 2? See here. Solve the following equations. We have to solve the following equation. Solving equation means finding value of x. First example is 70p minus 2 is equal to 49. We write the given equation 70p minus 2 is equal to 49. Here we have to find the value of p. Here variable is p. So we have to find the value of p here. So I here add both sides by 2. Means here 70p is equal to 49 plus 2. You add both sides by 2, then here 2 get cancelled. Or you remember in this, if we change the side, then change the sign. You remember one thing. You change the side, then you change the sign. Sign change करायचं म्हणजे काय? प्लस चा मायनस, मायनस चा प्लस. Multiplication division, division multiplication. Okay. Therefore, here 70p is equal to 51. Now divide both sides by 70. We have to find the value of p. P is equal to 51 divided by 17. 17 means 17. 17 3s are 51. Therefore, value of p is 3. Here value of p becomes 3. Okay, understand first example. See the second example. 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. We have to find, here variable is m. So we have to find the value of variable m. We have to find the value of m here. So write 2m as it is. 9 as it is. We do not change the place of 9. 9 is on RHS, 2m is at LHS. We change only 7 from LHS to RHS. Therefore, change sign. Plus get minus. Okay. Or you may call it as subtracting 7 from both sides. Therefore, 2m is equal to 9 minus 7 is 2. Therefore, m is equal to these 2 as it is. Here multiply by 2. Get divided by. Side change केलं sign will change करायचं. Side change, sign change. You remember only this. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Means here value of m is 1. Okay. Take one third example. 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Here see, write first given equation. Here see, what is the variable here? Variable is x. So take variable on one side and numbers on the other side. In this case, we take variable on one side and numbers on the other side. Which variable we take? 2x तिकडे घ्यायचा का 3x तिकडे घ्यायचा? लहानाला आपल्या मोठ्याकडे घ्यायचं, लक्षात ठेवायचं. आपण कसं मोठ्यांना लहान मुलांना सांभाळून तर आपल्यापेक्षा लहानांना सांभाळून घेतो, तसं इथं आपण काय करायचं, मोठ्या नंबरच्या व्हेरिएबलकडं लहानाला घ्यायचं. Therefore 3x is here greater. Take 2x here, minus 2x. 3x as it is, no side change. 2x साइड बदलली आपण, मग काय झालं, minus 2x. Then 4 is in the RHS, so minus 4 as it is. Take 12 on RHS, plus get minus. Okay. Here first step 3x as it is. Take 2x on LHS, therefore sign is changed. Plus काय होणार आहे, मायनस. मायनस 4 इज ऑन द RHS. साइड बदलले का त्यानं, नाही. साइड बदलल्यानंतर साइन पण बदलायचं नाही. 12 साइड चेंज केलं काय झालं, मायनस. मीन्स हियर 3x minus 2x means 1x is equal to minus 4 minus 12. Minus minus plus 12 plus 4 16 and greater number sign. Therefore value of x is minus 16. Okay, understand all these three example. Now see the fourth example. What is given fourth example here? See, 5 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 into bracket x plus 2. Okay, here 5 into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 3 into bracket x plus 2. So we have to find the value of. See how to find this. How to find this? See, first multiply this 5 with this bracket. That is 5 into x. 5x. 5 into 3 plus minus, here plus minus is minus. 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay, now here variable is x. Take variable on one side and numbers on the other side. So here 5x as it is, take 3x here, minus 3x. 6 in RHS as it is, 15 here is minus. So change the sign, becomes plus 15. Okay, here first step understand. First step 5 into x, 5x. Then 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus is equal to 3 into x, 3x. 3 2s are 6. Now collect the variables. Here variable is x. Collect variables on one side and numbers on the other side. So here 5x is as it is. 3x is on RHS. Change sign. Here plus sign, get minus is equal to 6 as it is. Minus 15 sign change करणार आपलं, साइड बदलल्या. Minus 15 चं राहिलं plus 15. Okay. So here 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 21. Therefore value of x is, this is 21. Here multiply by 2 becomes divided by 2. So our answer is x is equal to 21 upon 2. Now see the fifth example. What is the fifth example? 9x plus 8. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Here, see, at the denominator 8 is there. So we multiply both sides by 8. We multiply both sides by 8. Or you take 1 on RHS. Okay? See here 9x upon 8 as it is equal to 10 as it is. Change the sign of 1 plus get minus. Therefore 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. Therefore 9x is equal to 9 as it is. Here 8 is dividing, get multiplied. on RHS. Okay, side change केला काय झालं, divide चा काय झालं, multiply. Therefore 9x is equal to 72. Therefore x is equal to 72 upon 9. 9 8 जा 7. Value of x is 9 1 जा 9, 9 8 जा. Value of x is 8. Okay. See the next example. There is little difference in each example. प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल मध्ये थोडा थोडा बदल केला आहे. थोडा बदल तुम्हाला नोट डाउन करता आला, काही अवघड नाही. ओके, थोडासा चेंज झाला तो लक्षात ठेवायचं. नेक्स्ट सी y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Here y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Here see at the denominator there is 7 and 3. So here we take LCM. Here we take LCM of 7 and 3. What is the LCM of 7 and 3? 7 and 3 चा लसावी काय येणार आहे, 21. So we multiply here, multiplying both sides by, here we multiply both sides by 21. We multiply both sides by 21. Multiplying both sides by 21. So see here 21 into y upon 7 plus 21 into y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 21 into 2. Okay. See here step 21 into y upon 7 is equal to 21 into y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 21 into 2. Here we multiply by 21. Okay, here we multiply by 21. 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21. 3 1 जा 3, 3 7 जा. Therefore, what is answer here? 3 into y, 3y plus 7 into bracket y minus 4 is equal to 21 into 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Okay. Therefore, 3y plus 7 ना multiply करा, 7 into y 7y plus minus minus 7 4 जा 28 is equal to 42. Now collect the like terms, means y 3y plus 7y, what is becomes 10y minus 21 is equal to 42. Therefore 10y is equal to 42 plus 28. Okay. Therefore 10y is equal to 70. Therefore y is equal to 70 upon 10. Therefore y is equal to 7. Here multiply 10, get divided. Therefore value of y is 7. Now see the question number 7. What is the 7th question here? 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay. Here denominator is 2. So we multiply both sides by 2, or you may write this 2 get on our left hand side becomes multiplied by. Okay. See here 2 is here divided by, get multiply. Therefore 2 into bracket 13x minus 5 is equal to 3. Here 2 is divided by, get here multiply. Okay, understand this step. 2 into 13, now multiply 2 into 13x 26x, 2 into 5 10 plus minus minus 2 5 are 10 is equal to 3 as it is. Now we have to find value of x. So take x as it is, here 3 as it is, minus 10, get plus 10. Okay. Therefore 26x is equal to 10 plus 3, 13. Therefore x is equal to 13 upon 26. Here multiply, get divided. Okay. 13 1 जा 13, 13 2 जा 26. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. Value of x is 1 upon 2. Okay, here we do first. Here 2 is divided by, get multiplied, then multiply 2 into 13, 26x, 5 into 2, 10, minus plus minus. Okay, and then take minus here plus, and then take 26 divided. See the 8th question. Here multiply 3 into y, 3y, 3 into y, 3y. Okay, plus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 10 into y, 10y, plus minus minus 10 4s are 40, and this plus 8 as it is. See, first I multiply by 3, 2y plus 8, 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 10 into y, 10y, plus minus minus 10 4s are 40, plus 8 as it is. So here 3y plus 24, 10y as it is, minus plus minus 40 minus 8, 32. And which sign comes? Greater number sign. Which is number greater? 40. Sign is 40. Now collect the like terms. मोठ्याकडे लहानाला घ्यायचं सांगितलंय. Here greater number is 10y or 3y. 10y. So I write 10y as it is. मी मगाच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्हाला सांगितले बघा, मोठ्याकडे लहानाला घ्यायचं, 10y जवळ घ्यायचं, 3y घ्यायचं. 3y इकडे या, काय होणार आहे? मायनस 3y. ओके, कलेक्ट व्हेरिएबल वन साइड अँड नंबर्स वन साइड. कुठल्याही साईडला व्हेरिएबल घेऊ शकता, इकडे पण घेऊ शकता, तिकडे पण घेऊ शकता. इकडेच घ्यायला पाहिजे, इकडेच घ्यायला पाहिजे असं काही नाही आहे. ओके, नाउ 24 ॲज इट इज, 24 ची साईड बदलली आहे, 32 ची साईड बदलायची आहे, मायनस काय होईल? प्लस. So here 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 5, 10y minus 3y 7y. We write this as 7y is equal to 56. Therefore y is equal to 56. Multiply चं काय होणार आहे? Divide. 7 1 7, 7 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. Value of y is here 8. Value of y becomes here 8. Okay, understand both the examples. You here do only calculation carefully and sign, and when changing the side, change the sign. Only remember two things: side change, sign change, and second, plus minus sign must be important. Now see example number 9. X minus 9 upon x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. This is example number 9. Okay, now here see, here we observe, here we can cross multiply both sides. Here we cross multiply both sides. Okay, means here 7 multiplied by x minus 9 is equal to 5 into bracket x minus 5. First step, here we multiply this 7 into x minus 9 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. Now you do regular method. 7 into x, 7x, plus minus minus 7 into 9, 63. 5 into x, 5x, plus minus minus 5 5s are 25. So here collect like terms, xx 5x becomes minus. Okay, this minus 25 as it is. Take this 63 on RHS, minus becomes plus 63. Okay, in this step 7x as it is, 5x here plus get minus is equal to this minus 25 as it is, minus 63 get plus. 7x minus 5x, what is the answer? 2x. Here minus plus minus 63 minus 25. 8. 38. Okay. And greater number sign. Which number is greater here? 63. Sign is plus. So we do not write here plus sign. Okay. So x is equal to 38. Here multiply by 2, get divided. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Therefore value of x is 19. What is the value of x here? Value of x is 19. Okay. First do cross multiplication and then multiply 7, multiply by 5 here. Collect like terms, x on RHS, LHS and numbers on the RHS and simplify. We get x is equal to 19. Next example number 10. Example number 10. What is the given? See here. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. Here observe denominator is 3. So we multiply both sides by 3. Multiplying both sides of equation by 3. We multiply both sides by 3. Means here y minus 4 upon 3 as it is plus 3y as it is equal to 4 as it is. Here we multiply by 3. See, here we multiply by 3. What get? 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Means here y minus 4 plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now collect the like terms. 9y plus y. Get 10y minus 4 is equal to 12. Therefore 10y is equal to 12 as it is. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. 10y is equal to 12 plus 4, 16. Therefore, y is equal to 16 upon 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, value of y is 8 upon 5. Okay, understand? Here, denominator is 3. So, here multiply both sides by 3. This is as it is multiplied by 3. 3y as it is multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 as it is multiplied by 3. Here 3 get cancelled, remains y minus 4 plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Now collect like terms variable. 9y plus 1y means 10y minus 4 as it is. 9y plus 1y 10y. Minus 4 as it is equal to 12 as it is. 10y as it is equal to 12 as it is. Minus 4 get plus 16. 10 divided kara. 2 5 are 10, 2 8 are 16. Therefore value of y is 8 upon 5. And last one example is remains. See the last example. 11 example number 11. b plus 1 plus b plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 21. See, this is a lengthy example. Okay. आपल्याला बघितलं काय वाटतं हे फार मोठं आहे, बट इट इज व्हेरी सिंपल. आणि फार सिंपल्स आहे. बघा दिसताना मोठं दिसते पण सोडवताना बघा किती सोपं आहे. लेट्स सी स्टार्ट. हियर 4 is divided by, so numerator as it is b plus 1 plus b plus 2 is equal to 21 as it is. Here 4 is divided by, so on RHS get it multiply by 4. Divided by 4 है, क्या हमारा है multiply by. Side change, sign change. Therefore this is b plus 1 plus b plus 2 as it is. 21 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now here collect like terms. b plus b plus b. 1b plus 1b plus 1b. 3b. Okay. b plus b plus b, 3b. 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 84. Therefore 3b is equal to this 84 as it is, here multiply plus 3 get minus 3. Therefore 3b is equal to 81. Therefore b is equal to 81 divided by 3. Here multiply by 3 get divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 remains 21. 3 sevens are 21. Therefore value of b is 27. Okay. So students, today we had completed practice set 12.1. Your today's homework is try to solve practice set 12.1 in your notebook. In the next video we will see word problem on it. Thank you.